Ah, this is a print made from our Tree of Life cutting board, laser etched with over 800 animals laser etched into the design. Very cool, very functional, and you're saving the forest. With each cutting board sold, trees are planted. We're talking about millions of trees having been planted since 2008. With each one of these cutting boards sold, helps to plant trees right here in the USA. Pretty cool. I like it. Can score one on the website right there, chefdepot.com. The Tree of Life cutting board. Each one is unique, totally different from the natural coloring of the woods. Each one of these animals, over 800 animals. Some of the things I like about this Tree of Life board: it's big, it's hefty, it's very, very thick, very durable. And over here on this side you can cut and chop, prepare your food on here, and reserve this side just for serving and display. It's very cool. And once again, for each one of these boards purchased, a portion of your money is given to the National Forest Foundation, US-based nonprofit that's planted 4 million trees. So this is helping keep your water and your air clean, helps the environment, helps the National Forest Service, and replanting trees. Very, very cool. I like it. In stock at your sponsor, chefdepot.com.